Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and never forget to click the bell icon for more civil engineering related videos. Okay, today we will discuss how to calculate the concrete volume as well as concrete surface area using a single command called data extraction. I am considering this plan as you see. So it's a simple two steps we have to do. First we have to create a layer. For creating layer, go for layer properties, then enter this. Click on this, put a column as well as wall. As you know, I already added column as well as the walls, two layers. When you create that, you have to, this is column, this is wall. You have to bifurcate it. So what I did is, this is my walls. First I have to go this, and you have to click on this. Then it will go into the walls layer. So when you bifurcate it, if you click on this, it will show a wall layer. If you bifurcate, when you click on this, it will show column. So I bifurcated both column as well as the walls. Whenever the next step is, you have to go for a data extraction command. First what I will do is, first I will move upside, select this column. Okay, then there's a command called select similar. Select similar, click on this, then it will select only the column portion. Enter the move command, move to the one side. Okay, when you remove every hatching portion, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, or let it be, I will do it in the next. Okay, then what you do is, this wall is like here. We will go enter data extraction called data extraction. Then it will ask create a new data extraction. Because you are new for this, you have to create a new data extractions. Go for a next. It will ask where you to put. You put where you want. You will put in the desktop called wall. Okay, first we will calculate the wall, then this in the desktop it is shown the wall. Then it will ask select objects in the drawing. Then you have to click this icon. Then you have to select this and press enter. When you select this, it will select only walls, not columns. Okay, go for the next. Here it will ask what you want to include. There are two things in this. One is polyline, another one is hatch. So I don't want hatch, I need only polyline, because we can calculate using polyline only. So I'll select polyline. Then next. When you go for next, it will ask these all things, but we don't need this. Okay, right click on this, uncheck wall. You need only two things. One is area, second one is the length. The length. Okay, click on 2 and go for the next. It will show this one. Then go for the next. It will ask the select output types for this extractions. You have to select input, insert data extraction table into drawing, or output data into external file. You can do it both. So I will go for the XLS because I need it in the Excel format. So you have to choose where you want to save. Okay, I will choose save in the desktop only. I will call it as wall Excel. Okay, then save it, then go for a next, then finish. This is step 4. Open the wall Excel file which you saved previously. Okay, in that you will get the column like this: count, name, area and length. Okay, so I will explain you what is this count, name and all. You write you draw a polyline, it is showing a polyline because that hatch you unchecked in the previous. Okay, so area, this area is nothing but it is coming in mm square, but you need concrete in cubic meter, so you have to convert it to the meter cube, right? So what we'll do is, we'll put an equation. Okay, divide this by 1000 square, 1000 into 1000. Okay, we will divide it here itself. Okay, we will drag it, you will get all is in meter cube. This length, you have the length, so you need to, again it is in meters. Length means 1 dimensions, meters, divided by 1000, you will get in mm. Okay. So first I told you I will calculate the concrete volume. So I will say concrete volume. Okay. Now is equal to, you need area for this. No, I'm sorry. First we should put a height. Without knowing height we cannot do anything, right? Height in meters. Okay, put a 4 meter height. I consider 4 meter height. Then what you do is drag this. Then again you have to do concrete volume. Okay, so how you calculate the concrete volume? Simple. The height multiplied by the area. But another thing is means count, because this count means the same type of wall repeated twice. This is same type of wall repeated twice, so I will multiply that also. Okay, again with the area. So we'll get the concrete volume in the meter cube, drag it, make a sum of this one. Okay, sum of this one. So you need 43.76 cubic meter of concrete for this wall. So again I told you how to calculate a surface area. So what will go? We'll go for a surface area of concrete. Okay, simple thing is equal to, you require height, but here you require length, because the perimeter into height will give the surface area. Then count, same, drag it. The total surface area of this concrete wall is 463 and the concrete volume is 43.76. Okay, now we'll calculate the same thing for the columns. Okay, what you have to do now? Dx command for data extraction. Okay, create new data extraction. Exactly. Then save it somewhere. Okay, the name. Next, what you do is you have to choose a drawing, right? First choose the drawing, then press enter, then go for next. We uncheck this hatch, go for next, right click, uncheck all, area as well as the length. Okay, next. So go for next, create output point document. Now I will put it in the desktop. I'll put column 1 and save it. Okay, next, hit finish. Open the previous Excel sheet, column Excel sheet. Then you will found count, name, area and length, 4 different columns. Okay, so now first step is to make it in the meter square. It's in mm square, so divide it by 1000 square, divided by 1000 by 1000. Okay, 1000 by 1000, it will come into the square meters area. Then length is a 1 dimensional divided by 1000, so it will be like 2 meters. Okay, when it's then next step is mention the height. Okay, height I will consider 4 meters. Previously I considered 4 meters, so I will consider 4 meters. Next step is concrete volume. You have to find concrete volume. Put a formula, height, surface area into the count. There are 24 columns of same 500 by 500. Okay, so your total concrete volume is 24 cubic meters. Okay, so understood, it is not only one row is there, so it's directly coming, no need to add it. Okay, then we will calculate surface area. In surface area, what we will do is same, height multiplied by length and the count. Okay, you will get as 192 square meters of surface area. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and if you have any doubt, any comments you required, please comment in the comment box and let me know. Thank you.